Morning dear kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well and you are fit and fine at home. Stay home, stay safe. Our previous class we have already learned new words. Okay, so today we begin our class with a small rhyme. Okay, so are you ready for that? Okay, if you are sitting on the bed, just get up and get ready to recite this rhyme. Okay, so shall I start? Okay. Building of the temple, building of the temple, building of the temple of the Lord. Boys come and help us, girls come and help us. Building of the temple of the Lord. Building of the temple, building of the temple, building of the temple of the Lord. Boys come and help us, girls come and help us. Building of the temple of the Lord. Okay, now we begin our class. So, in our previous class, I already told you about the new word from the chapter Happy Birthday. Our third chapter is Happy Birthday. Today we'll start reading of this chapter. So we just quickly revise the new word so it's easy for you to read the chapter well. Okay. So new word first is crayon. Crayon means color. You are always using crayon for color the picture na. So crayon is color. Eraser. Eraser. You always use eraser to if you have written something wrong. If you are writing and you wrote down something wrong, that time what you do? You just use eraser to erase. Okay. And brush. We use brush for painting na. For painting. So brush. And fold. Fold means suppose some paper you have like this and you just fold it. Fold. Okay. Now fifth one is draw. Means to draw something. To make a picture of something. Okay. Draw. Pretty. Pretty means beautiful. And seventh is sheet. Sheet means sheet of paper. Like paper. It's a sheet. Okay. Sheet. And last one is birthday. Okay. So now we'll start reading of the chapter. The name of the chapter is Happy Birthday. Okay. So get ready. Name of the chapter is Happy Birthday. First of all, take out your pencil and write down date at the top and write here classwork. Okay. Just quickly take out your pencil, write down your date and write here classwork and write at the top, read at least twice. Okay. Now, number one is match the objects that go together. The object, there are some objects are given here, so we have to match them. Before reading the chapter, we do this little exercise. Okay. So bat goes with ball, brush with paint and crayon with picture, this picture, and stationery, sharpener, eraser, pencil, scale with pencil box and shoes with socks. Okay. I hope you did last time also. Now next page. Okay. Meet Farah, Daljit, Peter and Rita. They are friends. Okay. One is Farah and Daljit, Peter. Okay. And Rita. They are friends. 4 friends are there. Okay. Now see what Farah said. Farah. Hello, I am Farah. I have a new box of crayons. What Farah said? Hello, I am Farah. I have a new book of crayons. Who has crayon? Farah. So you just watch this picture. So who is having a crayon? Sheena, that girl. So write here Farah. 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 She is Farah. Write down Farah. Farah said, hello, I am Farah. I have a new book of crayons. And what Daljit said? Hi. When somebody greet you as a hello, you reply hi. If somebody tell you hi, then you reply hello. Okay. So Daljit said, hi, I am Daljit. What Daljit said? Hi, I am Daljit. I have 2 pencils and an eraser. So that what Daljit had? Daljit have 2 pencils and an erasers. So just check who has 2 pencil and eraser. Just watch the picture carefully. This boy, that means who is this boy? This is Daljit. This is Daljit. And next, Peter. Next is Peter. Hi, I am Peter. I have colors and brushes. Who has colors and brushes? Peter. Peter has colors and brushes. What Peter said? Hi, I am Peter. I have colors and brushes. So, who is Peter here? He. Okay, right here. Peter. P-E-T-E-R. Peter. Write down Peter like this. He is a Peter. Okay. Next, Rita. Hello, I am Rita. I have a sheet of pink paper. What Rita has? Rita has a sheet of pink paper. That means she is Rita. So write down Rita. Okay. Now, next, look at the things these children have. Okay, what these children have? What kind of things they have? They have crayons. They have crayons. And what they have? Eraser and brushes. And let's see, pencils and colors and papers. Okay, once again I am reading the same page because last time when I have talked to parents and parents said at least twice you have to read a page. Okay, so that's why I am repeating this. Okay, meet Farah, Daljit, Peter and Rita. Farah. Hello, I am Farah. I have a new box of crayons. Daljit. Hi, I am Daljit. I have 2 pencils and an eraser. Peter. Hi, I am Peter. I have colors and brushes. Rita. Hello, I am Rita. I have a sheet of pink paper. Look at The things these children have: crayons, eraser, brushes, pencils, colors, paper. Crayons, crayons, crayons. Eraser, eraser, eraser. Brushes, brushes, brushes. Pencils, pencils, pencils. Colors, colors, colors. And paper, paper. Now next page, this is page number 24, next 25 page number. The children want to make a birthday card for their teacher. What children want to make? Children want to make a birthday card for whom? For their teacher. They have everything they need to make it. They have everything to make a birthday card. Okay, so let's see how they make a beautiful birthday card for their teacher. Okay, first of all, what Rita did? Rita fold the pink paper. What she did? She fold the paper first. Okay, then Peter draws with crayons. Then Peter draws something with crayons. And let's see. Now next turn is Farah's turn. What Farah did? Farah colors with a brush. What she is doing? She is coloring. She is coloring with brush. Farah colors with a brush. And what Daljit is doing? Daljit writes with a pencil. And so once again, first of all, what Rita did? Rita fold the pink paper and Peter draws with crayons. Then Farah colors with a brush and Daljit writes with a pencil. Okay, let's see what he has write with a pencil. They all write on the card. What they write on the card? Happy birthday, dear teacher. Oh, so that means they make a card for their teachers' birthdays. So they make birthday card for them. Birthday card for their teacher. Okay. Now see next page number 26 page number. The card is very pretty. Farah, Daljit, Rita and Peter are happy. The card is very pretty. Look at the card. How pretty it is. Wow. It's very pretty card na. So the card is very pretty. Farah, Daljit, Rita and Peter are happy. They will give the card to their teacher. They will sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. So I hope you understood this chapter well. This is a story story about friends, 4 friends, Farah, Daljit, Peter and Rita, and they wanna make a birthday card for their teacher, and they show us how they may make a card stepwise. What they did first, then what they did second, then third, and then last. Then at the last they have written happy birthday to your teacher on the card, and then give the card to the teacher and they sing a song, happy birthday to you. Okay, we know this song very well because whenever we are attending any birthday party, that time we sing this song na, and when we have our birthday also, somebody sing this for us also na. So I hope you understand well. Okay, bye bye.